Hello everyone, this is Utsav from VWIT, and this video will show you how to log into your customized nonprofit website and how to access your custom dashboard. So without wasting any more time, let me quickly share my screen so that you can understand it better. So this is the sign up for a free trial page from where you will fill up the form to enter all your details to sign up for the free 60 days customized nonprofit website by VWIT. From this page, you will have to fill up this form and you will have to submit it, and within 24 hours, you will find an email from us with all your login information. So let me show you how this login information looks like. This is somewhat like this: a login URL, a username, and a password. So you will have to open this URL in the browser and you will have to fill up the username and password to log into your customized nonprofit website. Okay, let me quickly do that. This is the URL. I have already filled in the username and password and I will click on login. Yes, this is your custom dashboard. After logging to your customized website, the first thing that you need to do is to edit your profile. And you can do it by simply clicking on this edit your profile button. By clicking on this button, it will open up in a new tab with all the fields related to profile. You can simply add or edit any field and simply click on the update button to update your profile. Next is the support form. This is your support form. If you need any kind of support from us, you can simply fill up the form and send it to us and you will get the response from us within 24 hours. Next is the subscription area. This subscription area clearly states which is your free trial subscription start date and when your free trial subscription is going to end. If you want to upgrade the plan within these 60 days, you can easily upgrade it by clicking on this upgrade your plan button. Let me show you how. Just click on it and it will open up a new page in a new tab with the information on how to upgrade your page. This is the upgrade page and you can easily upgrade the plan that you want to by clicking on these respective buttons. Next is the VWIT support desk for nonprofits. This support desk has been created exclusively for the nonprofits. Let me show you why. Click on this VWIT support desk button and it will redirect you to the nonprofit support area. So here you will find all the tutorials and all the guides that you may need, or rather I can say that you will need to edit or to develop your customized nonprofit website. This support desk consists of more or less all the tutorials that you will need, like how to use your custom dashboard, how to edit your profile, how to create a volunteering opportunity, how to start a fundraising or donation campaign, how to manage volunteer area management system, resetting password, and etc. Many things. So these tutorials will definitely help you to set up or build up your profile and to develop your website as fast as possible. Next comes the dashboard tools. The first one is volunteering system. It consists of three features. First, the add volunteering opportunities, then the all volunteering opportunities, and the last one is all volunteers. So basically by clicking on this add volunteering opportunities, you will find a form by filling which you will be able to create a new volunteering opportunity directly from the front end. You don't need to go anywhere else. So this is the form. You can see it from the title, the add new volunteering opportunity. This consists of fields like volunteering position, date, time, location, contact, and open volunteer spots, etc. Just fill up the fields, submit on add new volunteering opportunity, and your volunteering opportunity will be added to your existing volunteering page. The next one is all volunteering opportunities. This is the page where you will find all your existing volunteering opportunities. Yes, this is the page. These are all dummy volunteering opportunities created for your purpose. So whenever you will create a new volunteering opportunities, the new opportunity will get reflected in this page. And the last one is all volunteers. It means the interested person who registered themselves for the respective volunteering opportunities gets listed up in a single page from where you can find all the details of that concerned person. Let me show you this page. Whenever a new person will sign up for any volunteering opportunity, you will find the person in this page with all their details. For example, I'm clicking on this Jeremy Keaton. This is a dummy profile. Yes, you will find all the details of Jeremy Keaton like this, a name, mail, phone number, about, etc. And one more feature is that this feature we have created exclusively for you. If you want to send an email directly to this volunteer, you can do it directly from this page itself. I will show you how. Here is a customized email button, send email to the concerned name, that is Jeremy Keaton in this case. Just simply click on this button. It will open up a modal window with a pre-filled information of how to submit the mail. You can edit it anytime from here, and just simply click on the send mail button. This mail will automatically be sent to the concerned volunteer. So you don't need to go to any of your Yahoo account or Gmail account or any Microsoft Outlook. Simply click on this button and simply submit the mail from the front end. So isn't it very interesting for you? Okay, let's come to the next section. The next one is managing your events. So just like volunteering opportunities, this is the add events page, and this is all events page. By clicking on this add events, you will find a form similarly like volunteering opportunities on how to add a event to your page, and all events page will show you all the existing events that are already present in your site. Whenever you will add a new event, it will be reflected in this all events page. Let me show you a quick snap of this all events page, how it looks like. This is the all events page. These all are dummy events. It shows like this. So whenever you will add a new one, it will be reflected over here. Next is the most important one, that is managing your donations. So this page shows you existing donation campaigns that are present in your site. Just simply click on the donate now button. Yes, the donation campaigns are getting loaded. These all are dummy donation campaigns. We have created this for your benefit. You can set any kind of form, in any kind of buttons, any kind of text, any kind of image to this donation campaigns. And in a separate video, I will show you how to create a new donation campaign. That I will let you know afterwards. So this is the donation campaign page. Next is this your profile. This your profile is somewhat similar to this edit your profile button. Both performs the same function. You can do it either from that button, or you can do it even from this your profile section. The next one is add posts and all posts. This is basically the blog section. The add posts indicates whenever you want to add a new blog post to your blog page, and all posts indicates your existing blog posts in your blog page. So if you click on this add post option, it will open up a screen with the fields. Yes, these are the fields. Just fill in the title, the featured image, the content area, the categories, the post summary. Simply click on add blog post and your blog post will be created. No need to go to any post or page option. Just you can simply do it from your front end. And all posts shows your existing blog page. You can see it from the URL itself. This is your blog page. This is your blog. All your blog posts are over here. And whenever you will add a new one, it will be reflected over here. And the last one is the marketing body form. This is not a support form. Let me make this thing very clear. This is not a support form. If you need any query, if you need any help regarding how to market your site, this form is for you. You can simply type your name, email, your organization name, and select from the drop down the respective category of your query. Just select it from here and type your query and send it to us. We will contact you within 24 hours with a quick response. So this is your custom dashboard. I have shown you in this video how to operate or how to use your custom dashboard. It is that easy. If you still feel any query, if you still feel any problem, feel free to comment, and hope this video helps you. Thank you, and we will see you in a